How does your farming method contribute to nutrient-dense meat?
So the people so far who have bought our pigs, all my pigs here, they really like the meat. It is tender, it's not fatty. Because of the way I don't feed to grow the fat, I feed to grow the meat. So they are not overweight, neither bony. So they are just medium and they have very good meat.
Are you open to farm tours to see your operations?
Yes, I am open.
What is the true cost of starting and running a pig farm beyond just buying the pigs?
First of all, it's the land where you are going to put the sties, and then the cost of buying the timber, if you want timber, bricks, if you want permanent buildings. Iron sheets are unavoidable, whether they are permanent or temporary, you need iron sheets. And then cement, so it's kind of costly, and depending how many do you want to start with.
What's the local market like for pork? You're just going to start selling pork, right?
Yes. I'm going to start selling retail, although I've been doing wholesale ever since I started. But now I've noticed that the market is getting low, but the retail sale is just going high. But the wholesalers are coming here, giving you little money. So that's why I've decided to add value, just like President Museveni says. Add value to what you're doing. So I've gone a step higher to build a small place. I've hired a small place down there in our neighborhood to start roasting and frying pork, say to the last consumer.
What kind of products can people buy from your farm?
People can buy a whole pig. They can buy also piglets. They can buy fresh pork or roasted and fried pork.
Okay. How can we buy you?
And you can contact us at that email on the screen. The Homeland Test email.
Final advice you can give to those who want to start, who are scared, those who have been farming and they are getting discouraged. You can also advise the farmers, because there are some farmers who have been doing their job for a while and they reach a point, they leave the sties there. And then those who are scared, what advice would you tell someone?
So the advice I can give people who are interested in piggery. Piggery is very interesting. In case your job is not paying you much, you can add piggery as a side income. You don't need to start with very many. You start with 2, even 1. Once you know where you'll take it for the male mate. So you can start with those few, and then you can give birth to 11. Then you can decide to keep all the 11 to grow the farm. Feeding, you don't have to overfeed this animal. You can put enough water, feed in the morning and evening, 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup in the evening, and with vitamin, iron. That's it. You don't need to give what people say to give you the size. No, you don't have to do all that. You just have to do the normal way, the organic way, because the meat will taste very well. Thank you so much for listening. Have a good time.
First one is expecting. The one I told you I need to prepare next day.
To prepare the thing.
Hey, it's back to
new
very
baby.
nice baby. That one.
He's
Kind.
You can see this one.
It's back very nice. Let me give you.
This is the current babies. For the expected. But he's lazy.
They are 50.
50.
By yourself,
I don't sell it. Let it deliver another time. No matter of giving the food. It will be coming up so quickly. And also acquiring the milk. This one. Although it is too small. It's over. You wait until tomorrow evening. So you give them 2 times.
Okay. 2 times is the best, but even 3 times, 3 times is
Food.
good. If you have food, 3 times. Go.
Well done.
That is a big work.
There was a building here.
We are building. We were.